Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. And in this episode here, we're going to be running into town, taking care of a few errands, having a delicious Taco Tuesday, and just getting back and getting things settled. Nothing too exciting, but this is my day, or I would say a typical week as a nomad. Thanks for watching. Alrighty. Got reminded of a valuable lesson this morning. Ninja was meowing to go out, and I wanted to hit the road by noon to start my errands in town, and which includes picking up groceries at Walmart. Only do that about once a month now. Man, there's some amazing deer that have been out here. I'm looking at mama deer now, and she's got 3 teeny tiny fawns. They've been out here for hours. Anyway, back to Ninja. So I decided, okay, it's 11 o'clock. I don't have to leave till about 12. I'll let her out. Surely an hour is enough. No. 12 o'clock came. I sat outside, tried to call her. Anytime I walked near her, she ran away. And finally, she came up and rubbed against my leg, and I grabbed her, and she was like, meow, like I'm killing her. So, got to remember, if I have to go anywhere, I've got to let Ninja out at 7 in the morning or not at all. Anyway, we're going to get heading out. Like I said, I'm picking up Walmart groceries. First stop is Planet Fitness to get a nice shower. I've got water containers in here that after getting the groceries, I will go to the Speedway and fill those up, and I'll be showing you again exactly how I do it, including using the RV Guard filter. Highly recommend it. Great filter versus the basic Camco filter, and also at a much reduced price. Again, that's through RV Guard. I'll try to remember to put a link to it below with my discount code if you use it. Let's see. Got to get some Copenhagen today because I'm all out of chew almost. And get a couple cans of that. We'll get some gas in the Jeep as well as the 5-gallon container for the RV. But that gas will be the last stop as we're coming back in to the Pilot gas station here. And they got a busy couple of days. Tomorrow I got to do recon for a new campsite we'll be moving to, and we should move to that tomorrow night, which I'll show you. And also on Wednesday, that's when I got to bring in the RV. We're having the awning replaced, the generator checked out, and going to a different place to get the passenger window that's broken out finally replaced and repaired. So let's get going. Well, I think we've got some changes to the hobo camp. Well, there's still a goat. And beautiful forest area. I saw the lady back there with like the green Joker hair, but I didn't see her little rig. Look at this. We are down to one truck or one camper, and he looks like he's getting ready to pull away. Oh my gosh. This place will be empty. All right, not a great shot, but just let you know I finished up at the Planet Fitness. Clean body, clean clothes. So nice, so nice. I rinsed myself twice. So to let you know my train of thought today, I need to get water and dump trash. So it'd be nice to do that first before getting groceries. But then these water containers and gas container would be blocking my back door back here to open. So I've got the water containers and propane up front. I plan on getting groceries first to load them all in the back. Then I can block that back door with the water containers. So being that it's Tuesday and I was passing by and haven't eaten all day, this is what I got to do. We're at Del Taco where I'm going to get 3 snack tacos for $1.99 and a small soda so I get my energy for the urinalysis next. Okay, P-test done. I think I passed. Didn't even study. It did take like over an hour of sitting and waiting until they finally called me. Once they called me, it was probably 3 minutes. Anyway, it's time to pick up my groceries, but I got to get propane and an air filter for the Jeep before, so let's run and take care of that. Okay, I don't think I videotaped over at AutoZone, but I got my filter and my gas octane booster. It helps every couple of fill-ups to throw that $7 to $10 bottle in there to help with the knocking. It really does reduce that initial valve knocking at the beginning. And we're at Walmart where I've got a ton of groceries. That's the downside to coming only once a month to the store. But now we're off to my favorite speedway to dump trash, get water, and get some chew. Okay, preparing to get water. Dun, dun, dun. See, I've got my RV guard filter. Little nozzle at the end, that way you can turn it off and on right here. These 3 ready. Which I'll put the empty gas can next to it and strap it in with tie downs, ratchet straps, once they're all full. And then we'll head off to our camp and get some gas because it's real cheap there. Okay, 18 gallons of water, empty gas can, and 2 ratchet straps to hold it all down. Let's get going to get gas and then go home and put away all these groceries. Well, made it without them falling off. Thing that stinks is I'm going to have to undo those, put them to the side so I can unload all the groceries. And then tomorrow load up the Jeep and put these back on as we prepare to move tomorrow. That'll be in a future episode. Let's go see what's going on with Ninja. Oh, she heard me, and I heard her. Are you ready to come outside? Come on. Come on. Everybody's waiting for you. There you go. Okay, help me put the groceries away. Well, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate you watching to the end. I've got all the refrigerated and frozen stuff and beer away. Now it's just time to put away all the cabinet stuff. But from Ninja and I, bid you adieu. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.